So the graph of a twice differentiable function f is shown at the right. Which of the following is true? So we need to compare f of 1 to f prime of 1 to f double prime of 1. So if you look at, this is the graph of f. So f of 1 is going to be equal to 0. That's the actual value. The first derivative deals with the tangent line. So if I draw a tangent line, that tangent line is positive, which means that f prime of 1 is greater than 0. Now, the second derivative deals with concavity. So this graph is concave down, which means that f double prime is less than 0. So f of 1 is equal to 0, which means that f prime of 1 is larger than that because it's positive, and that f double prime of 1 must be less than that because it's negative. So your answer is D.